Hey friends, and welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you our summer routine and our first week of Camp Mom.
Let's go! I'm a second grader now.
So if you're new around here, last year I started to do Camp Mom over summer break, and basically I just planned out weeks of what we were going to do. So I just buy a calendar from the Dollar Tree and I literally write out the number. We have about 11 and a half, 12 weeks of our summer break. So I just write down all of those weeks, I number them, and I try to make sort of a theme for each of those weeks. And it helps to use a calendar because I end up kind of planning the themes around holidays or special events or vacations that we have going around during the summer. So here I am just numbering out all of those things. So for like 4th of July, I might do an America themed week. If we're going to the beach on a vacation, I'll do like a beach or an ocean theme for the days that we're home. So it really helps to just kind of plan everything out in the beginning of the summer. Last year, I just picked our themes. This year, the kids really got involved and excited about what themes they wanted to do. So day one, summer vacation. First, we start off with breakfast. And then we roll into morning work. I ended up getting a bag for the boys and a bag for the girls, and I just filled it up with like line notebooks and workbooks, and they really like doing these now. I mean, by the end of the summer, they might not be so excited, but I'm just gonna roll with the excitement that they have in the beginning of the summer, and let's just go with it. So I have them just write their name a couple times. I'll even just say like, oh, write the ABC. So it doesn't have to be anything totally planned out. They are just practicing their skills that they learned over the years. What's nice too is that my kids are all small enough that they get really excited about teaching their siblings things. So I use that to my advantage and have them kind of teach each other things, and they get really excited about that. So on the week, I keep kind of a loose schedule. So on Monday, we do what I call Make It Monday. And for our first week, we are doing just kind of a overall summer theme. So we're making these mats. The mats are from Dollar Tree. I actually did a whole video on how to make these, so I'll link that for you guys so you can check it out. Go ahead, pick it up. 3, 2, 1. Careful, it's wet. What's it say? Nice, dude.
Whoa, look at that.
That's pretty cool. What'd you guys find? Oh, a frog. Holy cannoli, he is. Hey! Shh, don't scare him. Where'd you guys find him? He was just sitting there?
Yeah, I didn't see it.
Wow, he jumps back. They like to declare it recess as well, so we go out for recess and find frogs. So for Tuesday, we do what I call a Tasty Tuesday. So we'll make something to eat or to taste. I ended up making these like popsicle holders. We just used glue, and you can use felt to make these too. I just didn't find felt at my Dollar Tree, but we used this kind of car wash holder, and it made these kind of really cool like popsicle holders. And we also made our own popsicles on Tuesday too. We just used these popsicle molds and some frozen berries and just blended those up, and we threw in all kinds of fruit and made popsicles. But while those were chilling, while those are freezing, we had to have these kind of popsicles because it's summertime.
There's 2 trackers.
Tasty?
So they bought all the trackers and then put something on.
All right, tell me what it tastes like. Is it a thumbs up or? For Wednesdays, we do Water Wednesday or like Win It Wednesday, so a water activity or a game. And what I did was write summer words and non-summer words just in chalk, and then they are erasing the words that aren't summer related or the pictures that aren't summer related for the smaller kids. This is actually one of my go-to activities in the summer. It's just so easy to run out onto our driveway with some chalk, and I buy a pack of sponges in the beginning of the summer and I just hold on to those. They're like my Water Wednesday, Win It Wednesday sponges, and it's just a really easy activity to just put together really quick, and they have a lot of fun doing it. raindrop? Raindrops aren't summer. No, not the sun, Aaron. Show Aaron one of the blue words. Get one of the blue words, Aaron. This would be really easy to turn into like a relay game too if you wanted to do it that way. They just really like erasing the stuff that's on the ground. So I just give everyone a sponge and they just go to town. Thursday is Take a Trip Thursday for us, and we always go to our library for story time, and we pick out books that match our theme for next week, and they each get to pick a book that they want. And on Friday, we do a Family Friday, and this week we did tie-dye shirts. Carter, you know what this is?
Making things!
It's called tie-dye.
Tie-dye, I didn't understand this.
Neither Corey or I have ever tie-dyed anything, so I was really excited about this. I think Carter tie-dyed in school one time, but other than that, none of us have ever tie-dyed anything. So this was really a lot of fun. We just got this kit. I got this kit for Target in like the dollar spot. I think it was like $5, and it had really everything we needed except for the t-shirts. And I just grabbed a pack of those, and they had a lot of fun just putting those colors on, and we talked about like mixing colors to make different colors. So this was just really, I was really excited about this. I don't know if the kids, I think the kids had a good time. They seemed like they had a good time, but I don't know who had the better time, me or them. Since we just did these tie-dyes, I don't have any video of them being done because they are sitting in bags waiting for tomorrow to get rinsed out. So if you don't already, make sure you follow us over on Instagram at Our Mouse House, and I'll be sure to post how these look when they get all done over on Instagram. You know how to make purple now. What color are you doing next, Carter?
Blue for that. I know how to make purple.
You do?
Yes. Just get the red and green and mix it up.
You can squeeze a little bit.
Yeah.
Not this hand. Hold it there.
You can do all sorts of things.
Yeah.
What red?
You can do all
What
sorts.
red?
She said, I know what I'm doing.
This can be this.
And here's how they all looked after we squirted all of our tie-dye all over them. Hopefully they turn out like we planned them to. I don't think we can mess tie-dye up, but we'll see. We will see. And that is basically how our first week of summer went. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, you can find more from us here. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow all of our adventures all summer long. Give it a big thumbs up, tap that bell, and let me know down in the comments what other themes would be great for our at-home summer camp. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.